Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this sweet and sour prawn recipe. Come, let's go to the recipe. I have about 200 grams. To this I'm going to add some pepper. So the pepper is about 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm going to put in a little bit onion powder, about also 1/8, some salt, about 1/8 of a spoon. That means 1/8 is about half the quarter teaspoon and be lesser. And to this is skin off shrimp or prawn, skin off. This is 2 tablespoons of plain flour and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it first, and I'm going to add I did some amendment on the batter. I actually used the whole egg, and I add the both the flour, the plain flour and the cornstarch. Please look at the description for the detail. So I've set this aside for about now about 15-20 minutes, and I'm going to fry them. I'm heating up the wok now with oil. So this is capsicum, about 1 bowl, and I have pineapple. I cut about slightly less than 1 bowl, and I have yellow onion, about 1 bowl. So it's not going to be very long, just going to be about 1 minute. Now we're going to fry the shrimp. Cool. I'm going to put in the air fryer for 8 minutes. I'm heating up the about 1 teaspoon of oil. I'm now just grating in 1 garlic. So my air fryer is ready now. So here you are. It's all ready. So I'm going to plate this, and once I make the sauce, I'm going to pour over it. Okay, so I have to make sure it's airy. So over here, the garlic, I'm just sauteing a little. So now this chili flake is optional. You may use fresh chili. I'm going to use chili flake, and we like to have our dish to be spicy. So I'm going to put this about half a tablespoon, and the heat is very low. All right. Saute this a little. Over here I have 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce plus 4 tablespoons of water in them. So I'm going to pour this in. I want this to simmer a little before I put in the pineapple. I do have extra capsicum and onion which I did not fry earlier, so I'm going to incorporate that one together here. So here you see I have this, so I'm going to put them in. Before I put them, I'm going to make the sauce first thicker. Oops, that was not intentional. So this is not thick, right? So now I have some cornstarch over here, but before I do that, I want to make sure the seasoning is okay. It looks like my tomato sauce is not enough. I'm going to put in a bit more of the tomato sauce. I boiled them, so I put in more. So what is lagging here is the sweetness. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar. For the sourness, I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice, about 2 teaspoons. This is the lemon juice. Some people would like to put vinegar. I like to use lemon juice. Perfect. So since this is like this, I'm going to put in the cornstarch. This is 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 60 milliliter. That means 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to just drizzle as it boiling and see the thickness. I'm going to add in the onion and the capsicum. And the pineapple. So let's go over there. That's my prawns. Let me show you one of these. So this is the prawns. It's still crunchy and it's not rubbery. Even if I use the air fryer to fry. So when you are frying, put them in the oil, take them out. You don't have to be on the oil for long. Then when you put in the air fryer, it cooks it even better, and the oil will be out, and the prawn is still good, and it's not rubbery though. I showed 2 ways about doing the capsicum and onion. So you may use that way, or you want to like do it the other way, the second part that I show, you may follow that way. So try, share with your friends, and let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you in my next upload. Bye.